put your head all the way back. Now deep breathe all the way into your lungs here. Because when you sit forward all day, your shoulders collapse, clavicles, sternum, ribs, your diaphragm gets stuck. Can't breathe correctly. You don't get enough oxygen into the blood down here. Then it doesn't shoot out to your tissues. It's deoxygenated. It's not optimal levels, and ultimately your brain is oxygen deprived. So you get tired at the end of your day. That's why most people are tired at the end of the day when they sit. So we gotta get them breathing better. Awesome.